saving us from this riskless way of life. It allows us to make marks, set goals, with the possibility of failure and sinning built into it. And that's the gospel. The gospel is that you can set marks with the possibility of sinning, and Christ will provide salvation. So if you take one thing away from our Sunday today, set some marks for yourselves. If you have a goal of getting financially independent, name a number. Knowing full well as soon as you set a mark, the potential for missing the mark gets built in. The potential for sinning is already built in. Declare your love to someone. Take a risk, knowing full well that sinning is built into that risk-taking process, but also knowing full well that Christ provides this salvation for all of us. So all that to say that this is a good Sunday. And it may be longer than normal, it may be too Samoan than normal, but God is always good. God provides us our daily bread. And that's exactly what happened this morning. So as you go about the world this week, it is my prayer that you take some of these ideas that you were able to glean from Tomelele's reflection and my addition, and that you pay attention to your life. Because one of the things I think you might discover is you don't set high enough marks. And for some, it's because you've set marks too high, where you're saying you don't want to set it anymore. So set small steps, achieve it, set some more marks and goals, knowing full well that God is with you. Lafai utatou sami ngai besit sami alofu besit.
Ecclesia ko le masini ai. Ia whakafo i le tunu o tātou. Whawhenga iai tu whaftaria tu nusunga o au i atou me le tau tolo. O tu safo i sosoni mai i tātou kule laa i le nebe yaso. Whaftai fo i le whawhipese ta la au. Ia mese le tātou waiti. O batu ni tu leo tātou whatasima. Whanau fo i mai Washington. Jeremiah Kalepo. O le winga leo tātou so senela la whatako loa i e whanau le tua. I o i e pe lawa i o tātou aina e kalesia. Whote fo i o uomo mori te lea tui aro whaanga o le community nei o tō aina. E le ngata fo i nā i au o tō e kalesia i nai i Washington. In the battle fight with the tower, let us pray. Worshipping to you, O Lord, it's like drinking from a fire hydrant. In so many ways you come to us as long as we're open. And today is no different. As we go out in the world now, we ask that your Spirit come alongside us, meet us halfway, encourage us, give us the necessary skill set and the fortitude to become live witnesses to the gospel of Jesus Christ. And if necessary, use words. O mato o ele si uyo le ni tapo ina. Mato whalomo fo ia o ani mai e whina ngalo lau whio ele no ona. Ola mato tōna nao. E iai mato le toa. Le ono saki pa ia. Mato te atu e le larolangi le neba yaso. Ma whape ina o mato whaia. Ola mato te ua. Ia tumo mai o mato ruma. Le lofa tuno tele Jesu Christo no mato li whaoa. Lofa muti vale o le tua te maa. I man mawhtanga le motusia maloa ngā hapa ia. I runga le ia i mātou malaw